Hey everybody, so I have a new product to show you. So this is our normal wreath. Right here is where you would hang it, and you know, we can also put it on the table as a centerpiece. But as you notice, this one is separated. So I have not put the felt on the back of this, and normally this would have 4 screws, but just for simplicity's sake of showing you this, I've only put the 2 in here. So I am going to screw. Super easy. Okay. So now we have your 2 pieces. So what we are going to do is make it into an S shape. So I'm just going to layer these on top of one another. I think that's the right one. I hope I did this right. Now you have an S shape, which is what I am about to do a tutorial for. So this would be a centerpiece for your table, and you cover it with the greenery and everything just like you would any of our other forms. So stay tuned.